So a lot of you have been asking what's going on with the channel and where are we? And I do appreciate you asking that. It shows that you're interested in the build, in the channel, and also in what we're doing. So thank you for that. But honestly, I've been really considering what I'm going to do with the channel. Long term, what's the plan? Well, I think I've got a good one. Let me tell you about it. I haven't posted a video for a while. I wanted to explain to you why that was. My life circumstances have changed a little bit, but also with the channel, I was just trying to think about how do I do this long term? What direction do I want to go in? And I think I've got a good solution. I really always enjoyed the building videos, when I would show you how I built my cargo trailer, my camper, instructional videos. I do enjoy the camping videos too, don't get me wrong, and I will continue to film some of those. But I really do enjoy the building videos. So that's what I want to focus on. We're going to build a new trailer. Now, why? Why do we want to build a new trailer? Like, this is a perfectly good little trailer and we do enjoy it a lot. Well, as I mentioned, my circumstances have changed a little bit. We don't have the Ford Ranger anymore. It's a little bit smaller, so this was a perfect size for it. I've now got a diesel truck that I can tow with. We also travel for a little bit longer. We're gone for a couple months. But the big reason why I want to do this is that when I built this trailer, a lot of the comments that I get that it's just too complicated. I don't know how to do that. I don't think I can do that. You need to be a professional to do that. Maybe this one was a little bit complicated. The way that the plumbing system was, the way that I had to extend this, weld it, move the walls, add a couple feet on the back. There was a lot of welding that took place. So those advanced modifications made this build a little bit hard to follow, and I totally get that. Now, another question I've had a lot is regards to the guide. I produced that guide, 90 pages, kind of walks you through how to build one of these cargo trailer campers. Has the link to the stuff that I used in here, plans, and also kind of a rough cost of what it cost me, although that was a long time ago and it was way cheaper back then. But many are asking, well, the website's down, where can I purchase the guide? And I've decided that I'm just going to give you that guide for free if you'd like it. So I'll post a link down below where you can find it in the description. And if you'd like to support the channel, there's also a link there, but honestly, no pressure either way. I just hope that you'll find it beneficial. Eventually, once we get this new series going, I'll probably create another guide. So what is going to be happening here with this new build series? Well, I have a very strict kind of parameter, I guess, of what I want to do. I want to try to use just off-the-shelf parts to build a cargo trailer camper. No welding in special axles, no welding, body modifications on the trailer. Basically, you go to the manufacturer, you order up a trailer. Now, it will be custom. That's an interesting point. Did you know you can get custom cargo trailers? They'll build whatever you want, however you want, no problem. In my second episode, not the next one after that, we'll talk about that a little bit. And then I've also got a tour of the facility coming, so we can stay tuned for that. So back to what I want to do. So what is the purpose here? I want to try to make it so it's something that you can easily follow if you want to build it yourself. Take this video series, you order these parts. I'll try and get you a parts list and post it into the description. You go to that description, you can see the parts that are on Amazon or the other affiliate stores where you can find those parts. You can order them, follow the video, build this trailer that I've got coming. What size is it? Well, I'm going to go a little bit bigger. Like I mentioned, we're traveling a little bit longer. I can tow a little bit more weight. We're going to be 7 foot wide, 7 foot high, and 16 feet long. That's the size of the box, basically. So the goal is for you to be able to follow it. Simple, practical systems, step-by-step assembly of a cargo trailer camper. So in the next video, I want to talk a little bit about a lesson that I learned with this trailer that I never really discussed on the channel, and one that caused me to have to tear apart all these walls to fix. It's something I want to share because I think that's an important point. We want to remember the lessons and try and incorporate them into the new build. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next episode.